20 killed as Bangladesh Air Force jet crashes into school. Mechanical failure suspected as cause of Air Force jet crash that struck Dhaka school, killing students and civilians. Tragedy strikes in Dhaka. On Monday, July 21, 2025, a devastating incident occurred in Dhaka, Bangladesh, when a Bangladesh Air Force training fighter jet crashed into a school building, killing at least 20 people, mostly children, and injuring 171 others. The crash. The F-7 BGI aircraft, manufactured in China, experienced a mechanical fault shortly after takeoff from the Bangladesh Air Force Base Ekuonaba, Kandakar, and Kermitola at 1:06 p.m. Despite the pilot's efforts to steer the aircraft away from densely populated areas, it crashed into the two-story building of Milestone School and College at Divert in Dhaka's Uttara area. Rescue efforts. Emergency responders, including firefighting units, ambulances, and Air Force helicopters, rushed to the scene to assist the injured and conduct rescue operations. Witnesses described the scene as chaotic, with many wounded people being carried away by spontaneous volunteers and army troops from the crash site, even in rickshaws and tricycle vans. Casualties and injuries. At least 20 people, including the pilot, Flight Lieutenant Mohammed Tawqir Islam, were killed in the crash. Over 171 people, mostly students aged 8 to 14, were injured, many with severe burns. The National Burn Institute in the capital reported treating 18 people, mostly students, some with critical conditions. Court government response. The interim government declared a one-day state mourning on July 22nd, with national flags flown at half-mast across Bangladesh and its missions abroad. Chief Advisor Professor Muhammad Yunus expressed shock and sorrow over the casualties, saying, "I am deeply saddened by the casualties caused by the heartbreaking accident involving a Bangladesh Air Force jet at the Milestone School and College campus." Investigation. A high-level investigation committee was formed by the Bangladesh Air Force to determine the cause of the accident, focusing on the mechanical failure reported by officials. Narrator. Tragedy struck in Dhaka, Bangladesh on Monday, July 21, 2025, when a Bangladesh Air Force training fighter jet crashed into a school building, killing at least 20 people and injuring 171 others. Scene. Footage of the crash site, with emergency responders rushing to assist the injured. Narrator. The F-7 BGI aircraft, manufactured in China, experienced a mechanical fault shortly after takeoff, despite the pilot's efforts to steer it away from densely populated areas. Scene. Interview with a witness. Witness. There was no warning. Before we even understood what was happening, there were flames all around. Visibility dropped instantly. All I could see was fire, then smoke. Narrator. The crash sparked a massive fire, with videos capturing thick black smoke and flames engulfing the site.
আমরা বাবা মা আত্মীয় স্বজন সবার কাছে আমাদের সহানুভূতি জানাচ্ছি। বাংলাদেশের যত সন্তান আছে সবাই আপনাদের সন্তান। আমরা নিজেদের মনকে সান্ত্বনা দেওয়ার চেষ্টা করুন। আমরা সবাই নিজেদের মনে সান্ত্বনা দিচ্ছি, কিন্তু আপনাদের সান্ত্বনা বিরাট ব্যাপার। আমরা সবাই আপনাদের সঙ্গে আছি, জাতির সমস্ত লোক আপনাদের সঙ্গে আছে।
oye ewiabri yara oncheri biara beye 30 to 40 minutes ago na abakwa sama sabe ye chibi na abakwa sama Ghana ha wacher pa ebi esi ewa me atọmantoma na mo si nye de oye Ghana Air Force one plane na ye nsusi de ono na ya water what the transport what the oye rake no do what the Air Force the tadoko oye rake no do kwahwe monitoring na bambo na dia OKayFM no da mo plane ya what the oye Air Force plane what the oye rake no do wadra pa oye Air Force ma onam de nsumframa kasibi a oboy wo oye eprobi a wo for bonzo chrome no bonzo chrome edifi oye rate no da der baba pem hade ni nyinara airport do na ya train no offer na odru bonzo chrome no na nsupe do offer nti tender goni be se tender another usual krane ebi so isi oye apunumu nti according to another eyewitness what will provide you want to say nature don't ban the damono or your pilot or car damo a room henny or you're there damada bobo modinara no land another wa baby seat home into obo modinara or the kakata baby see or yeah a probia or what in between bozo chrome na azane or yeah when it is ni film finipe na damo room henny or to me baby see ho no be see one information na there some YouTube ye wo roman hen ye tia edinka na kan there nyimpa esia na so far no hen yensa aka one there na wo play no ma on adamabri oye ambulance afro wa ofi efiam kwanta agona takrade sekendi me chede ambulance beye tu a wo ko ewe wa agbogbod na akofa da mu kofu nyinara de mona abesin ebebo mu takrada waleje ayahwa pilot na olike plane no ono no pray kese pa nyimpa kroso kanwa yabaka da nisu pray ewe ninwe ekiri no ono de na oye companies oye wo mu bi one life jacket na ocean ono su opray pa ba kana de yabaka da wo pray mu no ansada anyehu with my yedi yenenwa do hwen na de yabaka da na we pray de but no anyehu biara nti so far na de Sudan for no na bambo juma ya fa wo club hade baka de wa kwa to ban esiban ewo oye bonzo chrome between bonzo chrome na azane hwa da ma bi won ma kwan man sem shro ni biara po into mumbo room na onkonko twitwa oye mfonyi another up to now no one man information bia bonam da nyan yedikan na yewura miniti ne yenya da mo information ya de aba nti munye be insert ya oya no kwa papa there oya in the 19th of March 2024 we oya Air Force plane pi aba abo shifo manyimpe esia bi be say we prepare ma what the one akọ ayarhwe Charles Amanbo no semeti asie yi a na je say pilot okuta wiemhyen bran frema no ye den no wo ye say ope baabi asi ena mframa no den no e ma play no e de nchemu ye sanete ye damna ade no chepepe na nipa nsia na omo wiemhyen mu no asrafo no sen na no omo nipa nsia na wo mu no nipa pilot no ye asrani na numu ebienu so a no so yehu ono so yehu da wose oye asda fo wan atar mo wa kade de yehu da wan godi ba se wose mufti oye atara yabaka de normal anade nyimpa wa ko ejuma ewo oye rake no do washisha no ebi na ohise yabon coffee nti yabaka de wadokoye ejuma ewo oye rake no do based on atarena na ohise da mon coffee nti just jiri na nipansia no so mu nyina atinkwam wonyina watinkwam obiara enwu so far ba plane de da mabri de makade so far no bia yedi enyoku ya plane na wase pa oye na tabana odutu no atabani nyinara ebudu na oye ne oye blade na owodo na ohim ma o ma no brama modutu no ono so ni nyinara etutu na driving side oye baby a pilot no otna no so ni gate no so etu amomo a efi ho na nechi ataba no so na otu ho no ono so da ma ataba no ebu nti yabaka there so far the plane dey wa say a say menye engineer nti men conclude baby but so work there worry ya obey hu kakra
Charles abamofo be pie mu wo fa ko a helicopter ida
abamofo asesiara yedi enyu also senede over 100 of bambofo na so far we twa we nyinara ikrono baby a plane no turn we nyina we twa we nyina wajiban nti ebomu da mfonyimpo na UTV yenye no nruomu baby pa na yakwache ni yetwa ya oye very exclusive ba UTV na ye wo wa mapanma obiare ntwa mfonyimpo no da ba sabambo ko etwa we nyinara ehia